In this video, I'm going to explain how we can install Tomcat and Mac. Let's get into it. Actually, I have already created a blog by explaining about the step-by-step process for installing Tomcat and Mac and posted in Medium account. So if you want, you can go through it. I have given the link in the description. So before installing the Tomcat, we have to confirm we have already installed the Java version. To verify that one, we have to use this command java -version. I have already installed Java 11 successfully, so we are good to go with installing Tomcat. This is the official link, that is tomcat.apache.org. From here we can download the version. In this case, I want to download Tomcat 10 version, and so I have clicked on that one. So here different versions are available, so based on the version you have to download. In my case it is Mac, so that is I'm clicking on this one. So now it has downloaded successfully. Let's go to downloads folder and double click on this folder. Once it is extracted, you can move to the folder wherever you want. For example, I want to move to some other folder under this Rajendra user, so just I'm going to move this one. So now I have moved successfully. So once it is moved, we have to start running the Tomcat version, but before that we have to follow some steps. Let me go to my blog, and so these steps we have done, like extracting and moving to the preferred location. So next step 5 is just we have to run this command. So this is ls minus this command and click enter. We have to, first of all we have to move to the folder where the bin folder is available. Here the bin, so cd and here. Once we are moved to bin folder, we have to run this command. So these are the .sh files which are available. So to run the Tomcat server, we have to run this sh file, but before that one we have to make it executable, these files, but by default these files are not executable. So to make it, we have to follow these steps. This is a command. With this we can make it executable. For example, look at here @1 we don't have any x here. It means that these files are not executable. So let me run this command, this chmod +x start.sh. Start.sh means it converts all this sh file. If you give permission for only one file, just you can give the one file here, then click on it enter. So now all files are executable now. Let me check it again. So now it appended the x here, x @ it means all these files are executable. So now you can start the Tomcat by using this command /startup.sh. click on enter. So it is showing like Tomcat has started successfully. So to check on that one, go to any of the browser and check localhost 8080. This is the 8080 is the default port for the Tomcat. Then click on enter. Actually in my case this port is already used for some other application called Jenkins. So to change the port number for the Tomcat, we have some process. Let me show it one. Go to this Apache Tomcat and go to configuration. Under this we have server.xml. Let me open with any of the editor, Visual Studio Code, server.xml. So here under this connector the default port is 8080, but in my case I have already using this port for some other application. So just I want to change the port to some other like 8082. Once it is updated, click on save and close this one, and close the terminal and open it again. Just you have to start a new session, then go to bin folder, then we have to start again with this dot slash startup.sh. Click on enter. Now the Tomcat had started. So now let me go to the browser and try with this localhost. Now I have updated to port 8082, so change it to 8082, click on enter. So now it is open successfully. It means that the Tomcat has successful and also we are able to start it. Okay, and so if you want to stop the Tomcat server, just you have to go to this shutdown.sh, for example dot slash shutdown.sh, click enter. So with that it stopped the Tomcat server running. So thank you all.